If you are getting an error like Face ID is disabled or Face ID is not available on your iPhone, it could be due to software glitches, hardware issues, or incorrect settings. So here is a step-by-step guide to fix this issue. So first of all, let's simply begin with opening the settings app on your device. Once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the screen time option available there. Then, once you tap on the screen time, again, you will have to scroll down and tap on the content and privacy restrictions. Then, once you tap on it, toggle on the switch, scroll down, and there you'll get to see Face ID option available. Tap on it and make sure that it is in allow mode. If it is in don't allow, then make sure you have tapped on the allow. Now turn off the content and privacy restrictions. Then scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode. Now here all you have to do is make sure that all of your Face ID is toggled on. Then scroll down, tap on the Reset Face ID option available there. Once you do so, tap on the Set up Face ID and set your Face ID again. Tap on the Get Started and set up your Face ID and follow the on-screen instructions to do so. Once all of these are done, go back to the settings, scroll down and tap on the General option available in there. Inside General, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset, then tap on the Reset All Settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.